Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making brandy snaps. The first thing I'm going to do is put my pan on a low heat and I'm going to melt together my butter, sugar and syrup. I'm now going to remove it from the heat and I'm now going to add in my flour. I'm now going to spoon a teaspoon at a time of my mixture onto the baking tray, making sure I leave room between each one so it can spread. I have preheated my fan oven to 200 degrees. I'm now going to bake them in the oven for 3 to 6 minutes. I have greased a spoon with some butter. I'm now going to try and roll my brandy snaps. While my brandy snaps are cooling, I'm going to whip up some cream to put inside. I'm now going to pipe some cream in the middle of my brandy snap. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.